Durapest is a trusted leader in wildlife removal and pest control throughout the GTA. We offer a comprehensive range of wildlife removal services tailored to meet your specific needs, whether you're dealing with raccoons in the attic, skunks under the porch, or squirrels in the walls. With years of hands-on experience and industry expertise, our team is equipped with the tools, knowledge, and strategies to handle even the most complex wildlife situations. Our approach goes beyond basic removal. We're committed to delivering safe, effective, and humane solutions that protect both your home and the animals involved. From thorough inspections and strategic trapping to prevention and cleanup, we take care of every detail so you don't have to worry. No matter the challenge, we're prepared to go to any length to resolve your wildlife issue. Whether it means crawling through tight attic spaces, setting up nighttime monitoring, or sealing off vulnerable entry points, we won't stop until your problem is fully solved. Let us know how we can assist you. When you work with our dedicated professionals, you can expect prompt service, clear communication, and a stress-free experience from start to finish. We don't just remove animals, we restore peace of mind.
If you encounter a pest control emergency, reach out to Durapest now for fast, expert, same-day service.